Finally, we got 3 new teasers of Galaxy S26 Ultra, and all of those teasers actually confirm the camera updates of Galaxy S26 Ultra. And there's one more important update about the S26 Ultra. Now, the first teaser actually showed a glow, and according to Instagram tagline, it looks dark, it films bright, the world is about to get more exciting with all the new Galaxy. The second teaser is also about the night photography, where we can actually see the groove, and it is shooting in the party, which means it is better for the ones who actually shoot the videos in dark environment. Yeah, the night photography is getting better and night videography is getting better on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The third teaser is far more important than the first two ones. The tagline says, "Discover what your eyes can't see. The world is about to get more exciting with all the new Galaxy." The third teaser actually says closer, and it actually zoomed in really far away. And the video is actually getting better on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. So this trailer actually confirms we're getting 25 times zoom on the Galaxy S26 Ultra instead of just 20 times on the previous Galaxy phones. Yeah, 25 times with the periscope lens. These are the new camera updates, but we're not getting actual camera updates, like the 200 megapixel is not changing, but yeah, the aperture is getting better, which is why we're getting better night shots. f1.4 instead of f1.7 on S25 Ultra. The 5x telephoto sensor is actually getting better in terms of aperture. These are the two main upgrades on the Galaxy S26 Ultra in terms of cameras. The second big update, which I'm talking about, is the pricing of Galaxy S26 Ultra. So I'm talking about the European pricing, and one of the countries' actual pricing is out, and it is far more than we could ever expected. So in Bulgaria, the Galaxy S26 Ultra base variant with 256 gigs of storage will cost 1,739 euros, and this is about 30 to 40% more than the previous Galaxy phones, which is far more. But in a bigger market, according to the source, it's not like the France and Germany. This is not the actual reflection of the exact same pricing. We are getting the exact same pricing in the US, but other markets may see the price hike for the Galaxy S26 entire series, not just the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now, there are a couple of more updates about the Galaxy S26 Ultra that we have. Samsung is going to change the design on S26 Ultra. We all know the back camera layout is actually changed, and yeah, we are going to see the camera island. The official renderings are out, and we got two color options of Galaxy S26 Ultra, black and purple. That purple color will be called Cobalt Violet. But yeah, I think this will be the flagship color of Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is from Android headlines. It's already confirmed we are going to see that camera island. But yeah, this thing will wobble on the table. Even if you put a case on it, this thing will still wobble on the table just like the Z Fold 7. Also, if you notice or not, we are going to see a rounded corners, but the sides are flat on S26 Ultra, which is kind of plus. Also, if you guys notice or not, there's a small thing which you didn't notice, the S Pen tip. Yes, it's changed. It's quite different compared to the S25 Ultra or even the previous Galaxy phones. It's curved and it's on the edge, which is kind of a different design compared to the previous Galaxy phones. Also, iUniverse also confirmed it. These are the official renderings of Galaxy S26 Ultra. We also got the weight and the thickness of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. We're going to see 7.9mm thickness compared to the 8.2 on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and we're going to see 214 grams of weight. I think this may be wrong, but yeah, the source who shared these renderings actually confirmed it. We are going to see 214 grams of weight on S26 Ultra, which is less than compared to the S25 Ultra. Now, let's talk about the cameras, and we are going to see a massive change. Yeah, we are going to see a same 200 megapixel camera just with the f1.4 aperture compared to the f1.7, but I have different information on it. According to iUniverse, I have some good news. The video recording quality of the 5x camera in the Galaxy S26 Ultra has been significantly improved. Yeah, so the 5x lens is getting the better video quality, but we're also going to see more zoom in quality in the Galaxy S26 Ultra, because in One UI 8.5, S25 Ultra is now capable of recording at 25x instead of just 20x on One UI 8. That means you're also going to see that 25x on the Galaxy S26 Ultra and the launch, which is another update we're going to see. Now let's see the official unpack and pricing of Galaxy S26 Ultra. While we talked a bunch about changes, iUniverse lists 7 reasons why S26 Ultra is better to get. Meanwhile, the S26 Ultra is worth having for 2026 with 7 potential reasons. There are a bunch of changes coming on S26 Ultra. Even one of the potential changes is the design of S26 Ultra. But today is more about what Samsung is bringing to the table, which is better on S26 Ultra compared to previous generations. And there's a source who compiled all the changes. According to iUniverse, why the only model worth considering is the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung will reserve its newest and most advanced AI features for the S26 Ultra. Even the S25 Ultra will likely need to wait several months to receive these capabilities through updates. The new 60-watt wired charging and 25-watt of wireless charging represent a major upgrade for Samsung users, and both are exclusive to the S26 Ultra. This one is already confirmed. The new private screen intelligent anti-peeping display is also limited to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is a highly marketable feature that YouTubers will repeatedly showcase, turning it into a major selling point. This is probably the most awaited feature people are waiting for the S26 Ultra. A larger camera aperture will lead to real-world improvements in image quality. For example, an f1.4 aperture will deliver better optical results in portrait photography. Telephoto performance is also expected to improve, and Samsung may introduce an AI telephoto algorithm similar to Google's to enhance clarity. While a main 200 megapixel is getting an update, there's a big thing going on with the 3x telephoto sensor where even I said a downgrade, which is obviously difficult to justify if Samsung would do it. On the video side, Samsung is expected to introduce APV technology, which should significantly improve overall image quality. The front-facing camera will have a wider field of view, making it easier to fit two people into a single selfie. The front-facing camera size is also larger on S26 Ultra compared to the S25 Ultra, which was already shared in the render. Additional upgrades that have not yet been disclosed, primarily on the software side. On the software level, I can say S26 Ultra is bringing some crazy feature as Samsung is ready for the 2026 AI stuff, although S25 Ultra will get it later down the line. On this note, if you're still here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.